Hi everyone, Dennis Ransdell here, and I'm going to have you watch over my shoulder as I create a ProClient app. But first, I want to cover some reasons why a ProClient app is important and will help you book new business. First, it's all about your client. Each client app is personalized and packed with features that your client will love. Not only will their app include their images, but so much more that they'll want to share their app with friends and family members. The more they share, the more conversions you'll see. Second, it's all about your company. And when your client shares their app, you instantly capture their friends and family members' contact information to your list for future follow up. This means that your client is doing the marketing for you and to the right leads. And third, a client app is perfect for all occasions, including weddings, seniors, family portraits, pets, and newborns. Basically, any event will create new leads for you. With your ubookoo membership, you can create unlimited apps for your clients quickly and easily with the help of our pre-designed template. And finally, ubookoo client apps set you apart from the competition and help you capture new prospective clients all on autopilot. Once your clients begin adding new contacts to your list, our system will kick in and work hard to convert your list members to new clients. So don't take my word for it. Follow me into the dashboard and watch step by step as I create a new client app from one of our templates. All right, here we are in the dashboard. And the first thing that we need to do is click on mobile websites. If this is the first time you've clicked on mobile websites to create a client or company app, a window will open allowing you to create a new unique URL for your company. Since my company is Photos by T, I'm going to select Photos, and I'll put in Photos by T for the company name. That's for my information only. Leave the other information blank for now and click on Save. And now you'll see my unique domain name is photos.mymobisite.us. When finished, close the window. And now, back in the dashboard, click on Mobile Websites. And you'll notice this time that the domain window does not open up, and you can start by creating a new page. Click on Start by creating a new page, and then Create New. A window will open up allowing you to create a unique URL for your senior app. For this demonstration, I'm just going to say Senior Sample. And then the page name is the same thing. This is for my information only. A page will open with several pre-designed templates for you to select from. You can scroll through the samples until you find one you like. What I'm going to select is the Photography Client Senior Model sample. Click on it to highlight it, and then click on Create. The Builder window opens allowing you to customize your senior app specifically for your client. You'll see that there's 3 columns: Widgets, Builder, and Preview. Everything you see in the Preview window is completely customizable by you. When the window opens, you'll see 3 columns: Widgets, Builder, and Preview. Each of our apps are created by using widgets. You'll see on the left-hand side there's several widgets listed. For example, this one's a picture widget. You'll see that widget at the very top of the Builder window. And when I mouse over it, you'll also see that the corresponding widget in the Preview window has a box around it as well. To make changes to any of the widgets, click on the wrench icon. For example, the picture widget is really designed to be your logo. To upload a new logo, click on the wrench icon and then Upload Image. To upload your company logo, click on Choose Files, and then locate your logo on your desktop. Then click on Add. You'll now see my logo is in the Account Library area. Highlight it and click on Select. And now you'll see it in the image box. Click on Save, and it's now at the top of my app. If the image is too large, you can adjust the size by clicking on the wrench icon and changing the percentage. I'll change it to 75% and click on Save. And now you'll see the logo in a smaller size. The next widget is the Gallery Slideshow. The gallery slideshow does not appear in the preview mode on the right-hand side. I'll show you how to view the gallery, but let's first add some images. To add images, click on Add Images, and then on Choose Files. Select the images from your desktop. Click on Open, and then Add. You'll see the images are now in the account library. Click on the two images to highlight them, and click on Select. You'll now see that they're listed in your gallery slideshow area. You can change the order by simply clicking on the arrows. We're going to make this a slideshow. You also have an option of doing thumbnails, a carousel, or a slideshow with thumbnails. I'll leave it at slideshow for now. And when you want the slideshow to advance by itself, click on Play Slideshow. You can also adjust the speed. Click on Save, and you've just uploaded images to your gallery slideshow. To view your gallery slideshow, I'm going to show you how to use the emulator. But first, let's save our work. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Save, and then on Publish. Scroll back up to the top and click on Back to Domain Dashboard, and then on Mobile Emulator. The emulator window opens up and you can see the images we've just added to the gallery slideshow. And because we checked the Play Slideshow box, the images are advancing by themselves. To go back to the editing mode, click on Edit Pages, find the app that you're editing, and click on Edit. And that'll bring us back to the Builder window. Okay, so far we've uploaded a logo and added images to our gallery slideshow. Now, one of the best features of a mobile app for your senior is Quick Connect icons. Let's look at how we can make changes to these Quick Connect icons. Click on the wrench icon, and you'll see the phone, mail, text, and galleries icons listed. If you want them to show on the desktop, click the active box. If you don't want them to show, uncheck it. To edit the Quick Connect icons, click on Edit, and when the window opens, you'll see that you can give the icon a name, as well as the text that appears underneath the icon itself. Now, since this is a phone number, we've checked the phone number box, and you would actually put in the senior's phone number in this area. Now, let's look at the other Quick Connect icons. Let's look at the next icon. Click on Edit. You'll see this is for email. To connect it with your senior's email address, click on Email Address, and then enter the email address of your senior client. Click on Save, and you're done. Let's look at the Text Quick Connect button. Click on Edit, and for texting, it's officially referred to as SMS. Click on the SMS number and enter the senior's phone number in the box. Click on Save. And if you want to create an icon to send your viewer to an external URL, click on Edit and select the option for External URL. This is where you'd put the website address. Click on Save, and you're done. And it will save your senior app changes. Okay, let's look at the next widget. The next widget is Image plus Text. Click on the wrench icon, and a window opens up. This is a great area for the senior to talk a little bit about themselves. When done, click on Save. All right, let's look at another app. This one's called the Social Bar. You can change the order of the icons and customize it with their unique URL for the different social channels. The next widget is an Image plus Text widget. We're using this widget to promote apps for your company. To make changes, click on the wrench icon, and when the window opens, you'll have a chance to change the header text, upload an image, and add promotional text down below. When finished making the changes, click on Save. And remember, all of the widgets are completely customizable by you. In fact, if this is not an offer you want to promote, click on the red X, and the widget will disappear. The next widget is a form widget. You can view a sample of the form widget by clicking on the down arrow button. You'll see that the form has fields for first name, last name, email, phone, school, and a message, plus a send button. Each of these fields can be adjusted by you. Click on the wrench icon, and you'll see the form field allows you to make changes. To make changes to the form fields, simply type the new field name and label into the boxes. You can also delete a field completely by clicking on the red X, or changing the order of the fields by clicking on the up and down arrows. If you want to add a new field, click on Add New. On the left-hand side, you have some options where you can create a personalized thank you message that your sender will receive. You can even send them to an external URL if you like once they submit the form. Remember to click Save when finished. The next field is an image button. An image button can be used to send an individual to an external URL. This could be an offer page, or it could be a link to view photos. Or if you use external hosting services, this could be a link directly to your external hosting service. You can change the header text. You also have choices of how you want the button to react once it's tapped. To do that, click on Set Button Action. You'll see a window open up. You can set it to instantly call a phone number, send a text, open up the email program on the user's phone, share the page. Set Button Action allows you to choose how you want the button to work. By tapping on the button, you can send a viewer directly to an external URL, or you can set it to dial a phone number, send a text, an email, or even allow them to share the page with friends and family members. The next box allows you to enter text that will appear on the button. And in the button image area, click on the button. A window will open allowing you to select the button shape and color. Select your button, click Select, and you'll see the changes right away. The next widget is another image plus text widget. This widget is being used to talk about you and your company. This is where you'd put in your logo and your company information. To upload your logo, click on the box, and then choose Files from your desktop. Once you choose the files, click on Add, and it will appear in your account library. Once you're in your account library, you can highlight it and click on Select, and you'll now see your logo in the box. Click on Save, and to view your changes, click on the down arrow, and you'll now see the changes in the preview. The last widget is called a Social Buzz widget, and it allows users to send a tweet, a Facebook like, or even send a quick email right from the app. All right, now that we've customized the template, I'm going to show you another quick way to view your changes in a full screen mode on your computer. Click on the page URL. You'll see your Senior ProClient app open up in a full screen view. All right, let's go back to the Builder window, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a widget. You can select from any of the widgets on the left-hand side. I'm going to select the text widget and add some header text. Click on Save. A new widget will always appear at the bottom of your Builder window. To change the location, simply click on it and drag it and place it wherever you want to put that widget. You'll see in the preview window the test widget I just created. To delete a widget, click on the red X and it's gone. Now, before we leave this area, let me show you a couple other settings you may want to look at. Click on Settings, and when the window opens, you'll see a box that says Home Screen Icon. By clicking on that box, it will allow you to upload an image that will appear on the home screen with the other icons. For example, you might want to use a headshot for the home screen icon. The icon will appear with the other icons on the user's phone. And under the page title box, this is the title that will appear under the home screen icon. You might want to use the senior's first name, for example. When done, click on Save. If you click on the Style link, when the Style Settings window opens, you'll see that you have complete control over the background color, the text color, link color, font size, font type, background. You can include a background image if you want, as well as link button colors and headers. For example, to change the background color, click on the radio dial button and then on the square box. When the window opens up, click on the white square and you'll see that you can change the color to any color that you want. Click on Select and then Select. All right, congratulations. You've just customized an app for your client. You've uploaded images, changed Quick Connect links, and added information about your client. Now there's just one more step on how we get it into the hands of our client and how our client shares it with friends and family members. So highlight the page URL and copy it. Remember to click on Save and then close out this window. All right, we're back in the dashboard. Let's do a quick review before we finish. You clicked on mobile websites and then chose a template to customize for your senior. You customized the template with the senior's name and information, along with your company information as well. Now that the ProClient app is complete, you want to get it into the hands of your client, and most important of all, you want your client to share it with friends and family members. And you want your senior client to share her app with friends and family members because not only is your information on the app, but also because you capture user information right to a contact list. So let's take the final step, and I'll show you how your senior client can share her app with friends and family members, and how you'll capture contact information for future follow-up. And we do that by using a keyword and a shortcode. Keywords work in combination with a shortcode. A shortcode is like a phone number, only shorter. Let me show you how easy it is to create a keyword for your client. Click on Keywords. You'll notice two tabs, Custom Vanity and System Generated. A custom vanity keyword allows you to select the word you want to represent your client. This type of keyword is easy to remember, such as Carol. System-generated keywords are generated by our system and usually involve 2 letters and 2 numbers. You can generate unlimited system-generated keywords with your membership. So for our ProClient app, I'm going to choose a custom vanity keyword. Now, we designed the app for Carol Jensen, so let me see if Carol J is available. Once you enter Carol J into the custom keyword box, click on Check, and you'll see a window open up that says this keyword is available. Close the window, and then to reserve it, click on Lease. And you'll now see Carol J under the keyword column with the shortcode of 71441. If Carol J was not available in the shortcode 71441, we have another shortcode for you to try the combination as well. Remember, the keyword and shortcode work in combination with each other. They're unique only to you or to your client. All right, so what we just did was create a keyword. This keyword, Carol J, and the shortcode is what we're going to give to our client so they can share it with friends and family members. Now the next step is to create a contact list specifically for Carol. Every time the friend and family member uses her keyword and shortcode, they'll be captured to your contact list. Click on the ubookoo logo to go back to the dashboard, and then click on Contacts, and then Create New. Give the list a name. We're going to call this Carol J. This is for your information only. And you'll see our keyword Carol J is listed in the Available Keywords box. Highlight it by clicking on it, and then click on Add. And now we've added it to the Assign Keywords box. What this means is every time someone uses the keyword Carol J, it will populate this list we've named Carol J. We'll be able to capture user information for future follow-up. All right, now that we have the keyword assigned to the list, let's look at the other options. You'll want to leave opt-in database checked. By using the keyword and shortcode, users are opting in to the database list. In the brief description box, I put, check out my new app. Now remember, before we left the app builder window, I had you capture Carol's unique URL for her app. We're going to paste it in the brief description box. If you look on the right-hand side also, you'll see a preview of what the actual message will look like when someone uses the keyword and shortcode. It'll say, Carol Jensen, check out my new app. And then there'll be a link to view her app. Now, what happens when someone uses the keyword and shortcode? They'll receive this message instantly with a link to view Carol's app immediately right on their phone. All right, let's do a quick review of some other options that you have when creating a contact list for your client. Estimated frequency, that means how many messages a prospective client may get from you on a monthly, weekly, or daily basis. You can change this to any number you want. I just leave it set to 4. Require double opt-in. Since users are opting in already using the keyword and shortcode, I leave this unchecked. Apply profile grabber means that you can require the individual using the keyword and shortcode to enter additional information. Since I'm already getting the most important piece of information to follow up with them, their phone number, I leave this box unchecked as well. Opt-in reward coupon. This is a great idea to be able to give your users a coupon right away when they opt in. And you can also offer a referral reward coupon for friends and family members, referring the app to their friends and family members. This is a great way to spread the information about your company. And you may want to check the very last option, which is notify me when users opt in. Each time a new user uses the keyword and shortcode, you can be notified by email or text. When you're finished, click on Save. You'll now see the Carol J contact list under List Name. All right, that's it. Let's go back to the dashboard and do another quick review. You created a client app and customized it for your senior client. You then created a unique keyword and selected a shortcode specifically for Carol. You also created a contact list. Now, each time the keyword is used by friends and family members, you capture their contact information to the Carol J contact list you created. Now, to get the app to your client, you simply tell them to text Carol J to 71441. And that's the same thing you would tell your client of how to share it with friends and family members. You may even want to try it for yourself. Take out your phone and click the text message icon on your phone to send a new text message. In the To field, enter the shortcode 71441. Don't worry that your phone may want to place a hyphen in the number. It'll still work fine. Now in the message area, enter Carol J as one word, no spaces, and push send. And when you do that, you'll instantly receive a text message back with a link to view Carol's client app. Plus, contact information is immediately captured to the contact list for future follow-up. See how powerful this is? All right, that's it. Congratulations. You created your first client app, created a keyword and shortcode, and now your client is sharing it with friends and family members and building a client contact list for you, all on autopilot. As always, if you have questions, send an email to apps@ubookoo.com, jump on live chat, or schedule a one-on-one appointment convenient to your schedule. Thanks for watching.